Good morning. So I'm back over the shop today. Going to work on getting the backing plates cleaned and painted, and get all the stuff in there that I can get wire brushed and painted. And then I'm going to start doing the brake job. Backing plate right here came in, so I can get working on the back there. But this morning, going to work on the front brakes. Got to go to work kind of early today. Big day at work. Last day before the alleged strike. So anyways, I'm getting at it. Woo. Join with me. Looking pretty good though. Make sure that doesn't get painted. Alright, so now I've got my wheel bearings that I got to get packed so I can start putting this thing back together. So, got them all cleaned out, and once I cleaned them out, they felt really good. No rough spots or binding, or I can't feel anything. So, I'm going to get some grease into my hand here and do this the old-fashioned way. This is the way my dad taught me when I was young. So you just take and scoop it into the bottom half of the bearing, push it out through the top, just keep working it until you see it come up through. Once you see it come up through, then you scoot over and you just keep doing it until it's all the way around. So you want a good solid push up of the new grease. There shouldn't be no old grease in there. Just all new good grease. This red grease really helps because you can see it come through simply. I mean, it's really easy to see. And then once you get all the way around, you feel a good solid pack in there. I'm getting close. I got maybe a ½ inch. Just keep pushing it in, packing it in there. Go all the way around it. Good solid pack. Once you get it all good solid pack, roll it up. Give a good little roll in the cage right there. One packed bearing. I'm taking the tape off the rotors. That we painted the other day. So we got a good coat of VHT high temp paint on them. Got the primer and then a good coat of black on there. So that should stay for a while. At least to keep the rust off. Drop the bearing down in. Pack some in the back of the bearing. Put your seal down. Okay, so I'm gonna get it in there. Spindle cleaned off, packed in. You want to make sure you got good grease on the race. Okay, once you get that in there, put your outer bearing in. Got your spacer washer, and it's got the tang in it. Find the slot, put it in the slot. Find your cotter pin spot. So I took it tight and then backed it off to the first spot. It's not going to come out. Little rag here because we made a mess. Put your cap on. So that's basically packing a bearing, putting a rotor on the spindle, greasing it with the old school method that has the bearings in the hub. Okay, so it's too difficult to hold on to the caliper and do the camera at the same time. So I put it on. I'm going to show you what I did. So coming down here, We have a caliper, got 2 pins. There's a clip on the brake pad. Put them all in there. Slide it down onto, first collapse the piston. Then put the pads on, put them on top of the rotors there. Put your pins in. Make sure you lube the pins. These slide. Make sure you lube this surface right here, because they'll slide on this. So tighten that up. Put your line on right here, 11 millimeter there, and a 3/8 socket head for the pins. Tighten those all up, and then she's all done. I'll get back to you in a second. This is how she looks. Real nice, brand new calipers, all good. Calipers all installed, reconditioned the rotors, got them all painted up, sanded all down. They're all in really good shape, no grooves, no nothing. I don't think they've ever been used. Had new calipers, new pins, got them all lubed up, put the new pins in, nice pads, Rebestis, pretty good stuff. It's not going to be road course, so it should be fine for what we need it to do. And then got the two bronze washers on the see-through bolt, and so that it can, the hose is all good, and the hoses are brand new on this car. So, and the lines over are brand new. So somebody started doing some work on this. But anyways, got her all done. Just got to repeat on the other side.